So, what brings you here today?
My dinner is waiting.
I understand you have specific wants or needs to murder.
It's not a want or a need. It's a drive inside of me. Something I can't control. I must eat.
I can't help those, but you need to listen to me. I am only here to help and gain understanding of your situation.
No one understands. My story is fucked up. No amount of help can fix what's going on with me.
You may not think you need help, but you do. If you're out here in public committing these acts, they will lock you up for life. And I'm giving you a chance, Damien.
You truly don't realize what I can do.